Don't jump me. I know it's not 4th of July, but I didn't do any specials on there, so I'm gonna do one right now. Why am I in no blanket? And why is my blanket all the way over there? Whatever, and I don't sleep with a stuffy like this. The actor does. I'm really bored. It's today. Oh wait, I can't check today. It's because the actor is using what I can't check today to record. Dummy. You know what? I'm gonna wake up until it's 8. Way too. You know what? I'm fine. You know what? Yeah, just no. No, that's waiting too long for the video. You just started it. Wait, I just realized. Today is the 4th of July. What am I doing? I forgot. Damn. Just forgot. I can either I can either tell my dad. I can either tell my friends, or I can either tell. No. I can't. I can't tell them. Just get away. You know what? I'm gonna ask my friend. My dad, it makes me too painful and uncomfortable. Dude, I have phone issues. I have a weird phone. It's so thin. Time to golf. Supersonic. Hey. Yeah, I was wondering if you want to come over. It'd be because it's the 4th of July and yeah, it's the 4th of July. How would I come? I'm gonna celebrate it myself. Well, would it be kind of cool if you were in the video? Okay, fine, but only for a little. Okay, bye. I got to call Tails. Wait, but if I call Tails over, but then Shadow would come over. I'm still gonna call Tails. I don't even think Shadow wants to come, though. Shut up. But I know what you want. Okay, jeez. Just wait. Should be waiting, really, actually. Wonder what my dad's doing. Is he either, getting ready for the 4th of July, just laying down watching the ridiculousness and doesn't care? Okay, I'm sure the second one I said is what she's doing. What the hell? I don't think Tails is coming over. Why the hell did I get over here? Because I did that? Did you break my window to get in? Yeah. It would have been so easier. What? What if your door was locked? My door was locked. You're literally coming and my door would be locked? Of course. Do you want robbers coming in while I'm coming? Alright, I think you're supposed to lock your door, and when you hear knocking, you unlock it. What the hell? You're such an idiot. But that's why I broke the window. It's because I was next to the wall, and there was some And there was some sprinkle-looking firework balls. Now, what are you doing? I don't know. I'm bored. Aren't we supposed to get ready for the 4th of July? I'll go try to find some 4th of July clothes. Hey, that's gay. Did I rhyme? Yep. That's not what I said gay for, but whatever. You don't just look gay. Supersonic, how do I look? I couldn't find anything else, so I guess I'm gonna look like this. I told you would look gay. Shut up about that word. There we go. Now we have a 3D one. Who cares about the hat? It's not even 4th of July. It's noobs. Oh, well, then I just saw it. I look like Mario. Yeah, you don't look like a 4th of July man at all. You're right. We shouldn't get suits. These ones are gay. But we still need to do stuff like we still need to celebrate it in a very awesome way. No, we'll do that in a different 4th of July, okay? Okay, you see it? You see it? You see this? That's what I want to give you. But what are we just doing? We just really need to get ready. So I'll go ask my dad. Yeah, I teleported you over here last time. Oh, I'm not over here. Is he? Where is he? It's weird. Can you be ripping the pillows again? Hey, ripping. You're whipping the pillows again. Where is he? Probably in his room, not his couch anymore. Yeah, that's a good idea. I wonder why Garfield was in there, though. It's kind of weird how we were, my room's a bed. Every room in this house is a bed, or a couch. Every room in this house is like a couch or a bed. I don't know what's wrong. It's just like a couch. What's that? Wait, which one is his room again? Was it the couch, or was it a bed? Because that's the only rooms we have in the rooms that were already made, were the kitchen and the living room. I'm not even going to question it. I'm probably going to do everything by myself then. By yourself? Then I'm out of here. Break your window again. Psst, you could have went through the hole you already did if you were going to do that. It's not big enough. What do you mean? But where am I going to get fireworks? And how am I going to bake everything? Because we're going to also... Wait, no, that's in the other part like Supersonic said. But how am I going to get fireworks and all that? What if they are selling fireworks? Oh, I gotta go! Where's your fireworks? Oh, don't worry. That's no problem. They're under my desk, but also, just to tell you, don't call the cops or anything, because these are most legal fireworks. Does everybody basically say that? Does everybody? Whatever. Yeah, let me open my desk for you to get some fireworks. Alright, this is the fireworks I had in my desk. Wow, these Do you look legal? What do you do with this one? Oh, you ride on it and then the fireworks come out of the middle, so you gotta be very careful. That's why it's mostly gold. I'll take that one. Right. Don't worry about that. What does that do? Oh, just that when you press the purple button on it, the claws turn into fireworks. Okay, I'll get this one. What are these stuff? Don't worry about that. It's just a desk. What are these? They're the minis. They just like fly around really fast. They just fly around. Oh, take these. Sounds pretty dangerous. And this one's called the squat gun, where every time you pull the trigger, it's gonna shoot a firework. Oh, what does this one do? Oh, it's kind of the same but different. So you pull this backwards and then it'll shoot fireworks. Really, a lot of fireworks. The more you hold, the more fireworks you get. What is this? Oh, when you open it, the fireworks just go to the sky straight up. But they're pretty big, so when you open it, you're going to have to step back really fast. Pretty big. I don't know why the ball's not big, though, but then... Okay, thanks. How much is all of them? All you have. Okay. $100. Thank you for the $100, man. I take away your service.
Hey, I would like to buy the most illegal fireworks.
Oh, sorry, the other man just bought all of them. I'll try to get more later.
Who was it? Did you really have to come here?
What? We didn't have any fireworks.
Go buy some from Walmart or something. Not illegal. I was gonna use those on the cops. It's because they're after me.
Well, Walmart doesn't open at 7 o'clock.
Walmart closes at like 10 or something. I don't know. It doesn't close at 7.
I said it's not open yet.
I said it's not open. It should be open, right?
It should be open like 9.
I don't think it's open 9, but you're probably right. It's maybe closed. I think it opens at like 8:30 maybe.
Okay, thanks. Oh, thank you. More like $100 just for that. Oh, man, we got so much fireworks.
This should have been way more than $100 at John.
Oh, man. Okay, well, I gotta put these outside. Actually, I'm gonna leave them on the kitchen counter.
Is this the kitchen counter?
No, I was still deciding.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no, never mind. I'm putting them outside. It's too...
I want to do the riding one. I want to sound sick. I heard of this place before. I bought only one firework and that's it.
Super. Wait, did you buy one illegal firework? Or...
Yeah.
Oh, where is it?
Oh, it's right here.
What does it do? Does the music play out fireworks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just forget about the cord. That's for another thing.
Does the cord mean you pull the fireworks?
Yeah, I think the other person has to like pull the cord, and then fireworks will come out of here. It's like one of the most dangerous. It's because your ear will get blown up by fireworks.
Okay.
I want to try it. It sounds sick.
So you have to, but do you throw it? Because then it would be too dangerous. Or do you just let it go to the sky?
You just wear the headphones, and then the other person has to pull the cord, and then fireworks will come out, and then it will hit your head a lot, and it will hurt.
Oh, I'm gonna put these. Okay, Shadow. So I bought a second pack of these.
Where's Tails and where's Supersonic?
Supersonic left and Tails is not coming.
But I'm here now, at least. Not at the beginning, but now I'm here.
Yeah, but he's still not coming. But
That's lame. It's just us.
he's just celebrating himself, I guess.
What are you doing with all these fireworks on it?
It's the 4th of July.
I see. Whoa. I don't want you having fireworks.
Dude, it's the 4th of July. We need fireworks.
I don't like the sound of fireworks.
Okay, it's not the problem video, Dad. It's
Okay, whatever.
and you have to hear them, Dad. All right, I bought a second pack of these because I know you want to try them out, but they're somewhere else. So, and they're just behind that. So I'll go first. I'll pull out this one. Whoa!
Oh! That was sick!
I think if you hit them, they take you to the sky.
Oh, yeah. They took me to Mars. Whoa, that was sick.
All right, you want to try your own one of that?
Yeah, I mean, not that. I mean, I guess that one. Okay, Hedgehog, prepare. Oh!
You're blowing everything up, Shadow!
Yeah, this is so sick. This is so sick. My turn.
Shadow,
That was sick.
you pulled out all the smoke.
No.
Pulled out all the smoke, Shadow. All right, try the squat. Try the squat gun. Try the squat.
Squat gun? What does that do?
It shoots out fireworks when you pull the trigger.
Lame. I can shoot you with it. That'd be awesome and amazing.
That's why it's called the squat gun, because you don't know where you're shooting, and if you shoot it up, it's gonna go down. It's like a boy. It will go down.
Give me that. That was awesome and sick.
You threw me in another house.
So, and you get kicked out really good, or
No.
it's in my language. Whoa, that was sick, Hedgehog.
I
My
didn't get
head's under a sewer.
No, I ran out of the place. But whatever. I guess that's enough with the gun.
No, do that to again, and then I could shoot you to Mars. Oh, give me the gun.
Wait, I didn't shoot you the mark.
That was sick. I think I'm gonna take this home, actually.
Hey, I bought that.
And
But I gave you one. I gave you one, Shadow. I gave you one, Shadow. You have your own squat gun. I told you I bought a second pack.
I'm mostly wondering what I just pull the string, Hedgehog.
Okay, but I'm not trying it.
Whoa, that was sick. This is sick. Oh, ow. Okay. That one I'm not taking.
So when you open this, the minis will just pop out really fast as crazy.
I can prank people with this. April Fools. I'm gonna take this one. Yummy. Yum.
Alright, I'm gonna open the minis. It's so scary.
Sniffing smoke.
It's gonna be so bad.
Open it! Open it!
No! It's going everywhere, Shadow!
You shouldn't have
Get off!
Run into them! Oh, that probably wasn't the best idea ever.
Shadow, you cracked the minis. Now they're not working.
I just wanted to see what happens if you went on the minis. That wasn't legal. That one would suck.
Yeah, it's because you stopped it, Shadow. It's because you stopped
No, it would have been good if it didn't Ugh. It's not my fault.
It's legal, Shadow, because you can pop your eyes out because it goes so fast.
Yeah, you know what? That one sucked. That wasn't legal.
That is legal. It's because you can hurt your eyes.
How? It's not even going towards any of us.
It's because
it to go towards it.
It's because Shadow, it goes in different places after a little.
That's it. I really want to try this one.
Okay, try it.
Oh! Best firework ever!
You're supposed to be on it, Shadow. But not in the middle, because that's where the fireworks are.
Oh, okay then.
But the fireworks also come from different spots.
Oh, this is the best one ever. I got. Oh, I'm taking it down.